Meron din kami tinatawag na 4Ps: predict, plan, prepare, practice. So in every aspect ng 4Ps na ito, every community member must know to predict ano ba yung mga hazard within the community itself. Bagyo ba yan? Prone ba sila sa baha, sa earthquake, sa volcanic eruption, etc. So dapat nilang malaman yung awareness, no? Plano, kailangan magplano ng each of the family and even community. They need to plan out yung go bag nila. Pag mag-evacuate sila, saan bang evacuation center sila pupunta? Pag nagkahiwa-hiwalay yung pamilya, saan sila magkikita? Sa bahay ba ng kanilang tita, ng lolo, lola, o sa evacuation center? Prepare. So, kailangan nila mag-prepare ng go bag. And of course, they need to prepare themselves mentally na pag may bagyo, dapat ready tayo to evacuate. And of course, practice. Ito yung gusto naming laging ibigay sa mga community. Dapat ini-involve nila yung sarili nila sa mga drills, flood drills, earthquake drills, and fire drills. Because sa pagsasali nila sa drills, nadadagdagan yung kaalaman nila paano maging handa pag may darating na disaster.